about vulnerability. And when we know how comfortable that subject is and how much we want to broach that subject with as much sarcasm as I can put in that, right? That is not something that we enjoy talking about and addressing, that pelvic floor is a vulnerable place physically, emotionally, mentally. Yeah, it just is.
I think that men, well, again, I am a man, so I can only really speak for a man's experience in this regard, but I do think from what I have observed that men's absolute reticence to even think about, much less talk about or expose their own vulnerability around sex is enormously damaging to both our bodies and our social relationships and our brains.
What we actually have. The human potential is scary, so we just stay in human probability.
Well said.
Wow, that was really good.